So students should be learning with a very practical approach. They can perform practicals in the classroom. They can learn the technology. They can learn AI and other things at the very beginning of their careers. So instead of being a technology consumers, they can be a technology creators. And that is the gap that STEMbotix is addressing. We are STEMbotix, an EdTech startup incubated at PDU IIC, where our motto is learn, make and innovate. A team of engineers and educators with a 10 plus years of industry experience came together to equip students with the right set of tools. So we are not teaching technology, we are equipping students with the technological tools so students can excel into their academics as well. Our philosophy is very simple: experience before theory. So let me give you one example. While I was studying, gravity was very much difficult for me. So what helped me to learn gravity was, when I was learning robotics, this tire creates a different friction, this tire creates a different friction, and this tire also creates a different friction. So while I was working with this robot and running this robot on a different terrain like mountains or dirt or water, I have to use a different frictions. So I have to change the tires, and that's how I learned the friction. So it makes sense to me and it makes very easy for me to understand how friction works. While with the books, it would be very much difficult to just learn by theory and memorizing it. So that's what our philosophy about learning.
From kindergarten to high schools, we have created complete ecosystem of hands-on learning. We have classified our age-appropriate AI, robotics and IoT kits for the young learners, advanced AI kits and the coding platform for the teenagers, and the complete AI and robotics lab setups for any educational institutes. Our every solution is designed to be affordable, scalable, and aligned with the real curriculum needs. Hello everyone, I am Isha. At STEMbotix, I am Chief Operational Officer, looking after all the operational things. With strong support from PDU IIC, we have been able to refine our solutions, expand our reach, and experiential STEM learning a reality in more schools every year.
3 years back, we have started with providing a workshop at one of the friend schools, and today we are reaching out to more than 5,000 plus schools. We have trained more than 10,000 plus teachers and currently 20 lakh plus students working with our kids in these institutions. And this is not just across India. We are currently expanding our network to more than 6 plus countries. We have been recognized and appreciated by different governments and institutions like our PM, Shri Narendra Modi, our Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shri Bhupendra Patel, then our Uttarakhand's Chief Minister, Shri Pushkar Singh Dhami, and many more union ministers and government key dignitaries has appreciated and supported us in our initiatives. And this has been possible by mentorship and guidance of PDU IIC. We have a vision to equip every student from villages to urban cities with right set of technological tools. So classroom becomes a learning and innovation hub where students will not just graduate with the degrees, but they will graduate with the skills and confidence to fit into the new technological world. We are STEMbotix. We are making students not just technology consumers, but technology creators.